Hello, this is Monica Gomez, and there was baby birds that fell on my driveway from the tree, and I was just bringing in some animal food from outside the store, and yeah, she just pooped right now, so I'm gonna grab her and move her this way. And one of her siblings didn't make it. I just prepared her some of these. These are cat pebbles with water, and see if she drank some water right now. I've been feeding her for 2 days. This is the second day I've been feeding her and taking care of her. She's been going to the bathroom. She's trying to hang in there. Cleaned her face and everything. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Like. There you go. There you go. Let me see. I gave her banana too, but she'll drink it. See? And eat a little bit. Hungry? Hungry? There you go. There you go. There you go. A little bit at a time, slowly. Eat a little bit at a time. You got some water on your nose, hon. You got some water on your nose, hon. Oh, she's opening her eyes. Yesterday they were not open. Look at that. Her eyes are barely opening. How cute. Those are good signs. Let me see, Mommy. Hopefully. Let me see. When she gets full and she falls asleep. She's an infant. Baby. She's a baby. She's a baby. I need a wing. I need a wing. I need a wing. I need a wing. She experienced a lot of trauma. She fell high from the tree and underneath the truck. So yeah, get some of this. I clean her nose. Clean her nose. And move her over here. Clean her up and cover her poop. Hi, baby. Baby. Hi, baby. I just gave her some of that right now. She falls asleep when I feed her. I put a little bit more water there for her. Not that much. You full? Are you full? There. There. She's growing. Because yesterday she didn't even have her eyes like that. She were completely shut like a newborn. And she didn't even have that much hair on her face either. Like fur. Well, no, not fur, feathers. Oh, wow. She is growing. Hi, beautiful. Hi, baby. She purchased for me when in the morning. I feed her when I'm home 2 or 3 times. And then when I leave to work, she's still alive and purchased for me to feed her. She has like little flappy wings. She's growing. Look at that. Her little feathers are growing. She didn't have these little spines in the back. Yesterday it was just skin. So her feathers are growing. She's trying to grow. I'm gonna let her rest. I think she's full. And just save this on the side. When she perches again, she will eventually. I'll feed her again. that's it. It's just some cat food. A little bit of cat food and water, and that's it with a syringe. And that's how I've been taking care of her. Beautiful baby. And I put her in a box in the bird cage, and I just like try and keep it closed, like, and it doesn't fall closed all the way, so it just like that. She'll move around on her own. She needs to poop or whatever. She already ate this morning, and that's her breakfast. And when she's hungry again, I'll feed her again. And the birds outside were real excited. They were looking for their babies. She's so cute. She's a cute baby. So thank you na right now when my mom takes the end of mouse. Hopefully she makes it. I'll keep you posted and make another video. Thank you now. Hey women, offers